Hello, you guys. It is time for your health check, and it's Wellness Wednesday. So we're going to talk about stress today. I know, everyone's favorite topic. Check it out. According to Pew Research Center, more than 1/3 of Americans have displayed clinical signs of anxiety, depression, or psychological distress since the start of this pandemic. And look, pandemic or not, everyone experiences stress to some degree at various points in life. But is there such a thing as good stress? And also, how can you use stress in a positive way? So joining me this morning to discuss, Dr. Chloe Carmichael, clinical psychologist and author of Nervous Energy. So good morning to you.
Good morning, Sonia. It's great to be with you.
Thank you. So Dr. Chloe, you named your book Nervous Energy. How would you describe that, and how could you use that productively?
Sure. So nervous energy is that extra little boost of energy focus that we get when we think that we're a little bit anxious. So the healthy preparation, the healthy function of anxiety is to stimulate preparation behaviors. So that can really be a gift if we know how to use it.
Okay, how do you use it? Because I bet a lot of people at home right now are stopping, looking at the TV screen and going, yeah, I'm stressed. What do you mean I can use it?
Well, what it does is it actually gives us a little boost of adrenaline and it increases our focus, which can actually be a real gift if there are things that are stressing us out. We just have to make sure we use that energy to focus on our tasks at hand rather than just stewing and ruminating.
And in your book, you outline 9 anxiety tools to help people. One that stood out to me is emotion-based to-do lists. So let's talk about that one.
Sure, that's a great one. So a lot of really busy people start thinking that emotions are just something that could get in the way of their productivity. And the opposite is actually true. So for example, if you find yourself procrastinating, I had a client that was procrastinating, really kicking himself for not doing his grocery shopping. And we looked at the emotion that comes up when he thought about grocery shopping. And surprisingly, it was actually loneliness because his ex-wife used to do that. And so going grocery shopping made him lonely. So the next step is once you identify the emotion, you can layer in self-care. So what he did is he started planning a catch-up cell phone call with a buddy during his grocery shopping. So he took that anxiety and channeled it into its healthy function, which was stimulating him to realize he needed more social support after the divorce.
And finally, what's your favorite go-to tip? Maybe something that you use most frequently when you're stressed out.
Sure. One of my absolute favorites is called the 3-part breath. I was a yoga teacher before I was a psychologist. And so the 3-part breath really guides you to just reset your body and mind in one really beautiful breathing technique.
Okay, Dr. Chloe, we have talked about the 3-part breath here, so thank you so much for bringing that up.